This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. No one compares. When you need a new tool, think Value Testers. Link in description below. Morning guys, it's February 3rd, 2020. So here I got a couple of, this guy calls, he's got a couple of showers that are leaking down in the ceiling. So let's hopefully there's something small, like, you know, a diverter, spindle, or something inside the shower walls. Hopefully it's nothing major. I'll have to open up the ceiling. I won't be able to do too much today. It's already, I got a lot of jobs to try to finish today, so we'll have to see. We'll go by there and see what's going on. We'll open up the shower valve and look at that first. Could be anything. I don't like to rush to judgment on things until I look at it. It said it's coming right down a white pipe.
Well, by the time
it's probably a diverter upstairs, or is it a lot of water or a little?
I'm gonna call it a lot. It's not. I mean, it's.
We'll check it. Right. What else you got? Yeah. So we got a corner shower there.
Exactly.
That might be the drain on that one. Let's see. We'll have to look at them. It's dripping right down in the. You said it was the same way before?
Yeah, it was like that before I touched it.
Now, when it's just on tub, it doesn't seem to leak, I don't think.
Yeah, that's what it seemed like. I couldn't be sure, but it's dripping what it seemed like.
No, it's still dripping.
Okay.
Yeah, it's still dripping. All right, you gotta go. Look, let me take this apart and take a look at it. Yeah, the cartridge was just loose in there. I tightened it up and she don't seem to be dripping. Run it for a minute, but I just tightened up them screws. Ain't dripping now, is it?
No.
You said you changed the cartridge. Maybe you didn't tighten it up enough.
No, I didn't change that.
You didn't change this?
No.
What? So that's what the problem was. There's 3 screws in here that were loose.
Yeah.
But it's better than ripping the vanity out, right?
Much.
Alright. Yeah, these 3 right here were loose. I just snugged them. It's an American standard. I mean, I don't see too many of these around, but I thought it might have been that,
Yep.
it's almost like a backflow preventer or something in there. Alright, we'll put it back together and try it. Yeah, so that black ring went right in there to make that nice and tight. That was floating in the wind in the back before,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Put that black ring on there. It's gonna be a little hot, Mom.
Not seeing anything.
Any leaks? So that cartridge was just loose. And it was leaking before you changed the trim?
Yeah.
Alright, so obviously we'll leave this wall open for a little bit, but you could just get some ferrin, right? Put it here and put a couple of screws in it, right? Or it's maybe some wider stuff and put the piece back, and then you could sheetrock it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
that's.
have screws in there if I have to take it down. But
Well, I thought I would tape it, right?
yeah.
Yeah, so that saved you without, because you can't move the vanity, right? Alright, so that's it. That's that one.
I'm actually very pleased with that.